In Google Cloud Platform, IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. IAM is a centralized system for managing access control to GCP resources. It enables you to control who has access to specific resources and what action they can perform on these resources. With IAM, you can manage permission for individual users, service accounts, and groups. IAM ensures that right people and job roles in your organization can access the tools they need to do their jobs. It controls who can do what with your cloud resources. On fundamental level, IAM encompasses the following components like how individuals are identified in a system, how roles are identified in a system, and how they are assigned to individuals, adding, removing and updating individuals and their roles in a system, assigning levels of access to individual or group of individuals, protecting the sensitive data within the system and securing the system itself. Let's take one example so that you can easily understand it. It's basically the bouncer at the club deciding who gets in and what they can do. Person draws a stick figure on the whiteboard and representing a bouncer. Person, the users are trying to access the resources like virtual machine, but the bouncer IAM checks your ID, which is your identity, and your access card, which is your permission. Person draws a stick figure representing the user, a virtual machine and arrow between them. Then draw a stick figure representing the bouncer checking the user ID and access card. The person, if everything checks out, you are in. You can access the resources. IAM is crucial in Google Cloud Platform for several reasons. Number 1, security. IAM allows you to control who has access to your cloud resources and what action they can perform. By properly configuring IAM policies, you can enforce the principle of least privilege, ensuring that users and service have only the permission they need to perform their tasks, thus reducing the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. Number 2, compliances. Many industry and organizations have strict compliance requirements regarding data security and access control. IAM helps you meet these requirements by providing the granular control over access to sensitive data and resources. Number 3, resource management. GCP offers a wide range of services and resources. Managing access to these resources manually and quickly become complex and error prone. IAM provides a centralized and scalable solution for managing access control across your entire cloud environment, making it easier to maintain consistency, manage permission as your infrastructure grows and evolves. Number 4, cost management. By controlling access to resource, IAM can prevent unauthorized usage and minimize the risk of accidental resources misuse, which can lead to unexpected cost. Additionally, IAM allows you to grant access to specific resources only to users who need them, helping you optimize resources utilization and reduce unnecessary spending. Number 5, collaboration. In collaborative environment, IAM facilitates effective teamwork by allowing you to grant appropriate access to team members, partners, and external collaborators. With IAM, you can easily manage access to shared resources and ensure that each user has necessary permission to contribute to projects without compromising security. Now guys, I hope so you can understand what IAM exactly is it. Thank you. If you are into tech and want to stay ahead of the game, then you have got to subscribe and like to the Sairaj Tech Cloud YouTube channel. Don't miss out on the latest tech trends and tips. Hit that subscribe button now and join the tech community at Sairaj Tech Cloud.